Hello everyone. Today we will start steel structure. In steel structure we will discuss about bolted connection. So what is bolt? Bolt is nothing but a metal pin with a head at one end, a shank thread, and other end to receive a nut. Suppose this is a bolt and this is a head of the bolt, this is a shank and this is the thread area, and this is nominal diameter. So for gross area of bolt we have we know area of bolt is pi by 4 d square, where d is a nominal diameter of bolt and effective area of bolt is 0.78 into pi by 4 d square, where d is a nominal diameter of the bolt. And for diameter of hole we have some codal provision. For limit state method we use a IS 800-2007. In this code book we have some codal provision. The codal provisions are as follows. In this code book we have 12 to 14 mm diameter of bolt. We add 1 mm clearance for calculating diameter of hole. For 16 to 24 mm diameter of bolt we add 2 mm clearance, and up to 24 mm diameter of bolt we add 3 mm clearance. Okay, now some specification of bolted joints. Suppose we can take a double cover butt joint. In this double cover butt joint we have applied tensile force P. So some specifications of bolted joints are: this is a gauge, this is pitch, this is end distance, and this is edge distance. So what is gauge? Gauge is a center to center distance between two adjacent bolts perpendicular to the direction of force. Okay, and what is pitch? Pitch is a distance between center of any two adjacent bolts parallel to the direction of force. Okay, so this is a tensile force and this is parallel to the applied force, and gauge distance is perpendicular to the applied force. Okay, so for pitch some codal provisions are there. For minimum pitch we should, for minimum pitch the minimum pitch should not be greater than 2.5 d, where d is nominal diameter of bolt. And maximum pitch, in general maximum pitch is not greater than 32 t or 300 mm, whichever is less. In compression member pitch is not greater than 12 t or 200 mm, whichever is less. In tension member the maximum pitch is not more than 16 t or 200 mm, whichever is less, where t is a thickness of thinner plate. Okay, and for gauge distance, the maximum gauge distance is not more than 75 mm. Okay, so these are the some codal provisions for gauge and pitch distance. Similarly, for edge distance, the minimum edge distance for hand cut, flamed cut, shared edge is not less than 1.7 d, where d is diameter of hole. Okay, and for machine cut, soft cut, plain cut or edge is not more than 1.5 d, where d is a diameter of hole. Similarly, for maximum edge distance is not more than 12 t epsilon, where epsilon is a strain, and strain we will calculate by under root 250 upon Fy. Fy is nothing but yield strength of the steel, and T is a thinner plate. Okay, and similarly yield distance is also same. So in distance, for minimum in distance, hand cut, flame cut, and shear edge is not more than 1.7 D, where D is a diameter of hole, and for machine cut, soft edge, plain edge, not more than 1.5 D, where D is a diameter of hole, and for maximum edge distance is not more than 12 T epsilon, where epsilon is strength, and we will calculating by under root 250 upon Fy, where Fy is a yield strength of the steel. Okay, and T is a thinner plate, and epsilon is a strain. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about all the codal provisions of pitch, gauge, and end distance and edge distance. Okay, if you like this video, not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.